Welcome to Life in My Greenhouse. Today, I'm sharing a quick, delicious, and super easy chicken pasta meal, perfect for a busy weeknight. I'll be using rotisserie chicken to add to this creamy, delicious meal. You'll also be able to meal prep this recipe. Place it in the freezer until you're ready to bake it. This recipe is sure to be a hit if you have company coming over. It's extremely creamy, comforting, and satisfying. So without further ado, let's get into the kitchen. There's so many ways to incorporate your leftover chicken into a fabulous new meal. You just have to get creative. We'll start by boiling our pasta according to the package directions. I just love the shape of these mini lasagna noodles. Look how cute they are. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll start by making our delicious sauce. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to a saucepan on medium heat. Next, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once your butter is completely melted, add your chopped onion to the pot. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano and gently saute. Next, add 2 tablespoons of flour to the pot. Go ahead and stir until the flour is completely absorbed. Next, add a teaspoon of garlic. Add 1 can of cream of chicken to the pot. You can also substitute this for cream of mushroom, cream of celery, or cream of broccoli. Then go ahead and fill the can with water and add it to the pot. Stir until creamy and smooth. Add a teaspoon of better than bouillon. I'm using the roasted chicken flavor. Next, add fresh cracked pepper to taste. Add 4 cups of stock to the pot. Next, add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese to your sauce. Bring your sauce to a gentle boil and whisk until it's completely creamy and smooth. Then add a 1/4 cup of cream. Add 1 to 2 cups of your rotisserie chicken. Give it a good stir and it's time to add your drained pasta. Next, add a teaspoon of garlic powder. Then add some fresh chopped green onions. This is starting to look so good. Mix until everything is completely coated with your delicious sauce. Go ahead and add a layer of noodles to your 9x13 baking dish. Top with some shredded mozzarella. Next, add some shredded sharp cheddar. Then top with the remaining noodle mixture. Add the rest of your mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Looking oh so good. At this point, you can place it in the freezer covered until you're ready to bake. Bake in a 400 degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 minutes uncovered. You can also broil the top for a couple of minutes if you'd like. And just like that, we've made this delicious, cheesy, creamy pasta bake. Our rotisserie chicken really came in handy. Top with grated Parmesan cheese and you have yourself a satisfying meal. Here's a recipe card with a list of ingredients for this meal. If you appreciate delicious recipes like these, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified of our new videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you and really enjoy sharing my family recipes with you all. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, go ahead and type pasta in the comments so I can welcome you personally. Take care of yourself, my beloved, and remember, the grass is always greener where you water it. See you next time.